Alright, UPS just drove away and left this at the back porch. It is a Spectra Premium radiator. And that side looked okay, but I just tipped it. And that side doesn't look very okay. So I don't know, hopefully it's got foam or more cardboard in here. But we have no freaking idea, and it don't look good, so. Let's see if I can see up in here. Look at the staples are all tore loose. At least that's still intact. There. Alright, just hit my damn phone. It's got foam in here. And I'm hoping the hell it's not tore up, because them hole spots don't look good. It looks like there is a dent in it. Right there. Hey, Daniel. Give me a knife. It looks like it's definitely damaged. Man, why can't they just put some damn something in here? It's just cheap to do, man. Brand new fucking radiator. Dropped it off at noon or so. Shit, come on, give me that. Hit my phone while I go trying to open the damn thing. Shut it off. But you see that right there? This one here didn't look like it did anything, but that other one sure as hell did. Here. Carefully go down the side. This blade ain't long enough to reach it. Hit it. Here, hold my phone. What I thought.
What's wrong with it?
Well, I'm hoping nothing got broke, but you can see down there it damn sure got hit. Look at this. This is all they protect it with. That's it. They leave this whole damn thing out in the open. This is Spectra radiators for you. Need one for my truck. Comes with mounting hardware. Everybody says don't use them, use your old ones, so probably have to do that too, but alright, keep filming. Look at that. Look at that. That's fucked up. Amazing to get one like this. Why the hell can't they put like that? Alright, that's an opening up box for a Spectra radiator for a Ford F-250. Extra thick one's supposed to be the best. Started having a doubt after seeing how they ship the damn thing. That it's just bullshit. I know that probably didn't interfere with the water packet. Man, that's bullshit. Look at that. Nothing protecting this box. Nothing. I mean, look, they put all this on the ends. You think they'd put a piece of foam here and here or something. I know it might get in the radiator, but you can blow it out with air. Damn, that sucks. Start out with a brand new radiator. End up with that crap. So, alright. That's not nice. Okay. We will upload this so people know what Spectra and how they ship. Maybe you want to choose a different provider. But this is the company right there. And that is the damage. I don't look stocking post, people might not think that's much damage, but anytime you get damage on a radiator, it's a bad freaking start. And that's where the other thing hit right there. All right, guys. A little pissy here, but that's a Spectra radiator for an F250. Only $100 and something bucks, but man, you'd think for that they would at least put another layer of freaking cardboard or something in the box. Pretty piss poor.